Hey, this is Dave, and I want to welcome you back to video number 2. We're going to talk to you about the first video. We talked to you about how to get your domain name, how to get WordPress hosting. And now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to build it out and how to, this is where the fun gets going here. So welcome to video number 2 on build your affiliate site. Okay, now on the first video, we showed you how to get your domain. And if you come back to your Namecheap account, you should be able to see the one that we did. And now the one I purchased on the first video was High Rank Affiliate. Okay, whichever one you did, it'll be right here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come down on the left-hand side here and you're going to click on apps. Okay, so click on apps. You're going to see this crazy little thing in the center here. Click on that. Okay. Now, if you've already got some existing WordPress sites, you're going to see them right here. But you're going to look up here and it's going to show you that you're going to need to set up a website. So if you click on the drop-down arrow, okay, you're going to see the one for today's date, which was the 23rd. So you're going to click on Set Up WordPress. So just click on the green button. Okay, and website name, just go High Rank Affiliate. Okay, and don't worry about any of this stuff right here. Click next and click on, don't do this here. Click on your domain on Namecheap and click on the drop down. Now, if you only have the one, then just click on that, which is right there, High Rank Affiliate, and then click next. Okay, don't worry about any of this stuff right here. Okay, and hit continue. Okay, perfect. And it might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection, but as soon as it does, it'll all show it up right here. And here we are. So you're seeing that thing turn right now. Okay, and once it goes green like these two here, it'll be ready to go. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on admin. Okay, and it says website not found. So that might mean that it could take a couple of minutes here, but we're going to try to hit refresh again. Okay, let's come on over here, hit refresh. And we're going to try to click on High Rank Affiliate one more time here. Okay, so website not found. So it may take a couple of minutes, but here's what I'm going to do, folks. So I've already got a site that I'm starting to kind of build out right now, which is called Top Rank Affiliate. See the direction we're going here? Okay, so Top Rank Affiliate, when you click on that, what's going to do is it's going to come into your WordPress. Okay, and very simple here. Now this site's brand new. I mean, I had it built out. Let me see here. It doesn't even have any content. That's it. Okay, but we're going to use this just to kind of show you what to do here. So as far as plugins, there are a couple plugins we're going to do, and just click on plugins, add new. Okay, and the plugins you're going to do, the first one you're going to do is Yoast. Okay, and we're going to click on install. Okay, and we're going to hit activate. Okay, that's one plugin we want to do. Now, when we start creating posts, I'm going to show you another plugin we're going to do here, but if you went up to posts here and you click on add new, WordPress has a new editor. Well, it's actually probably about a year or so old now. I'm not too sure, but you can see where you add your title and that. A lot of people don't like this. So what I like to do here is upload the plugin. You'll see it right here. It's called Classic Editor. And what this does here is I'll show you right now. Okay. Is the Classic Editor, when you go and write a post, add new. Look at that. It's the old editor. And, a lot of us people that have been, a lot of us guys, gals that have been around for a while that have done WordPress, we like the classic editor just because it allows us to, we understand it. And, but if you don't want to add that, that's fine. You don't have to do that. So that's the second plugin. Okay. And then here's the thing. If you ever forget about, nice thing about having other sites going here is I can click into here. This is my Snap online business, I can see what other plugins I'm missing here. So, all right, so add inserter is the next one. So we're back in top rank affiliate, click on add new. And we're gonna do add inserter. This is gonna allow us to put ads on our affiliate site when we get it going. And we're gonna take this one right here by Igor Funa, right here, and hit install now. All right, folks, and let's see here, it takes a couple minutes. Then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click over here. So we've got the classic editor. Okay, we're gonna hold on to, okay, perfect. Okay. All right. Got my bar wants to load. There we go here. Okay, so we've gone ahead and put on add inserter. We're going to go ahead and activate it. Okay, so we've got add inserter, classic editor, Yoast SEO. We're not going to worry about the media.net one right now. Okay, and but we are going to download WordPress auto terms. Okay, and so we're going to do WordPress auto terms. And the reason we do this is you got to have yourself a terms and conditions on there. So we're going to do this one right here. It allows us to put a privacy policy and a terms and conditions. So we're going to go ahead and hit install now. Okay. And with install now, sometimes it does take a couple minutes. So, you know, the nice thing about this is, folks, is when you get the affiliate site done, you know, and I wanted to be able to provide this to you for free training because so many people are charging, you know, astronomical amounts to build you a site and sell you a site. I decided to put together this 10-part series because I really want you to learn how to build your affiliate site, get free traffic to it, and then be able to monetize that. And that's the nice thing about this is we're going to show you how to do all that. You know, your only cost so far has been your Namecheap account, so $23.22. That's if you did it for the whole year. And then everything else is going to be free for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and activate the WP auto terms. Okay, perfect. And I believe I've got everything in there, so there should be 4. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to go ahead and add the Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Site. Okay, so let me get this in here. Google Analytics. All right. And the one we're looking for is Monster Insights. So we'll go ahead and find that here. And well, I tell you, my internet connection is running a little bit slowly today here. Sorry about that. So when this comes up here, let's try this again. Perfect. Okay, so Google Analytics. All right. So we're going to do this one right here that says Monster Insights. So click on install now. Okay, and then once you've got this plugin installed, go ahead and hit activate like you did with the other ones. And then that's all we're going to do on this video here, folks. So let me go ahead and activate this. Again, this is video number 2. Whoa, this is not what we want to see here. So let's go back. hit activate. Perfect. And if you ever get like kind of an error or something like that, just go ahead and hit next. It's not a big deal. So these are the plugins that you want to install. Don't worry about this right now. We're going to come back into the next video, and video number 3, we're actually going to start building out the site. We're going to show you what theme to use, and get everything looking really good. Make it look like your own site. All right, folks. Talk to you in the next video.